fixing Telegram. This group cannot be displayed is quick and easy. I'll walk you through the steps. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, if you open up the Telegram app and you're not able to get into a group, unfortunately, you can't fix the issue within the Telegram app. You need to hop out here and open up a web browser and log into Telegram. So from here, we're going to go to web.telegram.org. So again, web.telegram.org, telegram.org. And you're just going to enter in your phone number, get the code, and log into your account after you've done that. Let's tap on the three lines at the top left, and then we'll tap on settings from here. Scroll down and tap on privacy and security. And then again, we're going to scroll down and you can see sensitive content. Just tap on the disable filtering and you should be good to go. You can open up Telegram and see any group and any of the content and you're good to go.